Hello everyone, Contra Messi Gringo with another tutorial. We have just trained this on our online class that happens every week. Let me break down the move for you, and if you'd like to join, feel free to just drop me a message or click the link on the description and sign up to our school flow. It's completely free of charge to join our school flow, and you're gonna have many tutorials like this one and plenty of guides and tutorials for you to improve your capoeira and also your fitness. Let's get straight into it. Nice, let me break down the move for you. We're starting from a meio de compasso and finishing the leg at the back. One thing I want you to notice is, if I finish my meio de compasso here, I'm gonna end up setting up my movement here like on a 90-degree angle. So bear in mind your orientation when you're gonna do it. And then you decide how much you open the leg, depends on your flexibility and all that. So the first move is the meio de compasso. So I start my meio de compasso normally and finish at the back. So from here, once I finish, I'm gonna twist. I normally use my hand here because it holds the weight and take the pressure off my knee. And straight away, I catch my hand here. So the weight now went from this hand to this hand. Allow me to lay myself lower and then I step. I like to do this because I can avoid the kick if I'm too close to the person, and also it looks nice as well on the game. So note that the weight is on this leg and this hand. I shift the weight to this hand in order to bring this leg closer. So I'm on my toes and ready to set up. I call it carneirinho, some people call it macaquinho. I'm not gonna break down this move here because I have got that tutorial separate. From here, I lay into my elbow, the opposite leg to the arm. In that case, it's my left leg because I have my right arm. I'm gonna place the hand and I'm gonna send it over to the other side, push and stand up. So, of course, I did very slow so I can show you the sequence for you. But the idea is to do in a continuous movement, so you have the flow and use the momentum from the flow to do it without finding it too heavy on your wrist, on your back. But it all depends on your flexibility. So I suggest you practice the movement separate and practice this up separately before you combine them. So if you want to see it in full speed, I'm gonna demonstrate without pausing, but trying to do as slow as possible so you can see the setup. So I'm doing my meio de compasso, lunge, twist the weight, push, step, catch the weight, push myself. From here is my setup. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, the link is on the description. Feel free to send to your friends, share with other people that you find is gonna find this useful, and let's invite the people into the community. The link's in the description. You don't pay to join the community. And if you want my guidance and also lots of support for your fitness, for your capoeira, you can find it there. And I'm looking for you to welcome into our community. See you soon and stay tuned.